great right now.
Right?
Like, what is this? We were in the desert this morning. We were rock crawling a half hour ago.
Well,
Now we're in this lush, old growth forest.
everybody's caught up or close.
I love this game. It's called Where's the Road?
Right?
We're at 7.2 and the homestead is right about 7.5. So we have another 300 feet to climb.
Well, we got about.
So that's saving us $340 of gas a month. If we both got one of the scooters, they would pay for themselves in 3 months.
Well, gate was open. Gate's open. I don't even see a gate, but just in case somebody else. Interesting.
Your brake sounds really great right now.
Right? If anybody wants, we can cut this back a little bit. Everybody good? Guess so.
This brake's new. They don't squeak at all.
Nice meadow.
Nice aspen trees. No carvings in them yet.
I was like, okay, where's the brake? And is this mushy? It's spring.
Like, what is this? We were in the desert this morning. We were rock crawling a half hour ago.
Well,
Now we're in this lush, old growth forest. Crickets.
Are there crickets in there now?
Yes.
Oh, no, never mind.
Was it a rock?
Cricket.
Ew. They're actually all over my chair as well.
like rain.
I think this is what Iceland looked like.
Yeah. Been through quite a few countries today already, huh?
Yeah.
Morocco, Greece, Finland, Iceland. Crickets are bad.
And thick.
Yep. Sleeping and pushing on my side.
They're little baby aspens.
Yeah.
Could have been the same one. Maybe it ran all the way up.
Might have. Gates closed. Struggle. Maybe they should make them all then.
Yeah. Two of the weirdest fences. There's more. Two of the weirdest fences I've ran into on this trip. The one just tied shut.
Oh yeah.
And that one. No.
Buttermilk Summit. Perfect. We ate lunch at a summit yesterday. We'll eat lunch at to see that big fatty.
Chompers.
I'm not sure if we'll find a wider spot than this. You think everybody can get off here?
Right up here.
Yeah.
Looks like we should.
So, yeah, 70. You know, when we took you guys to VR for Mom's birthday, I really did not think you guys were gonna like it. Wow. That's a cool view.
Yeah. Oh, we could have ate lunch here. Oh, more interesting there.
It was cool. Looks like an interesting road all the way down.
Yeah. it ain't washed out. It's a heck of a drive back. Possibly a
Vehicle?
mine or something down there. I don't know. Looks like an ATV.
Kind of weird.
Right? ATV sitting down there for some reason.
We were looking at that ourselves and wondering what the heck it was doing over there so far away from the road.
I'm guessing it may be staying there.
Well, makes me wonder if it went off of the road and that's where it stopped.
That's my guess.
But it doesn't look like it's all banged up like it rolled or anything, so I don't know. It looks complete.
Well, it doesn't look in too bad a shape from this angle anyway.
Bent up, and the front end looks like it's sustained some damage.
I was looking for bodies just in case, but I don't see anything.
If that is what happened, that would be a scary ride.
It's just weird that nobody came back to retrieve it. That's what kind of got me wondering what's going on. For me. So does anybody have any clue why it's so hazy today?
Look at those mountains. Those look so like daunting in the haze.
Yeah.
No, we were talking about it earlier. I have no idea.
It does smell like smoke, so I don't know. It's kind of weird.
This road looked really steep when we were up there. It's not that bad at all.
Another trucker.
Yeah. You gonna go, buddy? Bugs in this tree. Ugh. Oh, I'm so glad I closed the tag. There were so many there.
I saw that. Good call. Oh man, there's a lot of truckers. Be a good place to hunt.
Oh, bird flush. I was wondering what it was.
Everybody's caught up or close? Left turn.
I was like, wait a minute, we're going back.
Oh, and Bonnie, can you see Paul behind you? That's what I was just looking at. Oh, there he is.
Maybe that rock is still there.
At least it's now scraping and now it's screeching.
Alright, well, looks like we're going to be on concrete for a little bit. Probably not worth our time to air up, so I'll just keep it at around 40.
Hello? Hi?
Sounds good. Roger.
I'm doing alright. How are you?
Hold on, we just got a phone call, so let's...
You can go, it's fine.
Are we fine? Okay,
I
never
might
mind.
lose you, just so you know.
Big semi coming.
Okay. Yeah.
Back left or...
Yep. At, Black Yeah. Yeah.
Stay left.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, stay right.
Okay. I think that sounds good.
Right, it is.
I just love you. I can give you love. So that's pretty awesome, though.
Yeah.
No.
Gonna be a right turn coming up here. Yeah, this one looks more like it. Looks like it goes the same
Yeah.
place. Oh yeah, there it is. I see it. Now there's hot water here. I don't know how hot it is, so keep an eye on the dogs. So.
Oh.
I'm assuming it's not real hot. I didn't see any warnings or anything, but. Oh, look, they even got a pool there.
In a bench. That must not be that hot.
Wander down through here.